Welcome back to my channel, Doctor's Storyboard, and I am your own doctor, Dr. Saroj Sahi, and I am presenting DHA GP Notes, the extracted version of Master the Board, and I hope you are liking it. If you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you will get benefited for the preparation of DHA GP exam. So let's begin our notes continuously as earlier.
Continue with lesson 11, fungal, tropical and animal bone disease. Coccidioidomycosis. Its spores common in hot and dry areas. Clues to diagnosis: joint pain. Accurate test is sputum culture. Etiology: serology. Treatment is moderate disease, fluconazole or itraconazole, and in severe disease, amphotericin is used. Histoplasmosis. Histoplasma fungus found in soil containing bird and bats feces. Urine and serum antigen highly specific. Treatment: amphotericin B followed by oral itraconazole. Blastomycosis, board budding yeast in smear found in soil and rotten wood near water. Treatment is itraconazole. Mucormycosis or zygomycosis, surgical emergency found in DKA especially. Risk agent desferoxamine. Mucormycosis is hard to grow in culture, so can be seen biopsy. It rapidly dissects nasal canal and eyes on through to the brain. Initially, treatment is amphotericin B. Invasive aspergillosis occurs in immunocompromised patient with features of neutropenia and leukopenia. 3 non-invasive tests: serum galactomannan assay, BD glucan level, PCR. Best initial therapy: voriconazole, isavuconazole, capsofungin. Candida albicans, Candida auris, bloodstream fungal infection seen in immunocompromised patient, resistant to fluconazole and voriconazole, sensitive to echinocardins, capsofungin and micafungin. Cholera, massive watery, non-bloody diarrhea along with vomiting, muscle cramps, sunken eyes and low skins. Treatment is doxycycline, and doxycycline treat severe infection. Malaria, fever, headache, fatigue and hemolysis, diagnosed with thick smear for detection, thin smear for speciation. So in malaria, there is thick and thin smear, both are used. And treatment for mild to moderate malaria is mefloquine, and treatment for non-falciparum infection is chloroquine or primaquine. Manifestation of severe malaria: parasitemia, CNS abnormalities, confusion, seizure, coma, hypotension, shock, renal injury, acidosis, hypoglycemia. Treatment is artemisinin, artesunate. Malaria prophylaxis: mefloquine or atovaquone. Mosquito transmitted viral syndrome: Zika, dengue and chikungunya are all transmitted by Aedes mosquito. All are diagnosed by ELISA and PCR. ELISA. Chikungunya is transmitted by single-stranded RNA. Dengue is characterized by bone pain. Zika in pregnancy causes microcephaly. Ebola patient develops encephalitis. Familial Mediterranean fever. ESR, CRP, WBC and fibrinogen level all are elevated. Treatment is colchicine. Amyloidosis, long-term complication. Anthrax, by Bacillus anthrax, cutaneous, painless black scar. GI anthrax, abdominal pain, vomiting and diarrhea. Inhale anthrax, widen mediastinum. Diagnosis: boxer-shaped encapsulated rods. Treatment with quinolone or doxycycline. Brucellosis, brucella present with fever for months. Hepatosplenomegaly, endocarditis, osteomyelitis, meningitis, chronic joint pain due to exposure to unpasteurized milk. Diagnosed with culture of blood, CSF, urine, marrow. Treatment with doxycycline and gentamicin. Add rifampicin for bone and heart infection. Echinococcus, feces of dog. Feces consist of eggs ingested by human being, spread to liver, lungs and brain, forming hydrated cyst. Detect cyst with sonogram, CT or MRI. Treatment: do not aspirate cyst. albendazole, and injection of alcohol into the chest. Leptospirosis. Infection with leptospira found in rat, liver, kidney affected, muscle pain and CK elevated. Leptospirosis is caused by spirochete and give Jarisch-Herxheimer reaction. Diagnosed with serology such as ELISA. Treatment with penicillin, ceftriaxone and doxycycline. Leishmaniasis, vector sandfly. Treatment is amphotericin, miltefosine and sodium stevogluconate. Plague is caused by Yersinia pestis. Treatment is gentamicin, doxycycline and streptomycin. Treatment of tularemia, streptomycin, gentamicin and doxycycline. Continue. Allergy and immunology. Anaphylaxis. Presence with rash characterized by urticaria leading to hypotension. Respiratory, shortness of breathing, wheezing, swelling of lips, tongue or face and stridor. Treatment is epinephrine, diphenhydramine, ranitidine, glucocorticoids, methylprednisolone or hydrocortisone. Intubation if necessary. Angioedema, sudden swelling of face, tongue, eyes, airway, could be due to deficiency of C1 esterase inhibitors. This question will come in DHA GP exam. Please remember. Hereditary angioedema doesn't respond to glucocorticoids. Treatment is acute therapy with fresh frozen plasma, ecallantide, Icatibant. Ensure airway. Therapy is ineffective in angioedema, antihistamines, glucocorticoids and epinephrine. Prophylaxis before dental procedures to prevent from angioedema. Antifibrinolytics, that is tranexamic acid, androgens, danazole, stanozole, infusion of C1 esterase inhibitors. Urticaria, sudden swelling in the superficial layer of the skin due to pressure, cold and vibration. Treatment is antihistamines and leukotriene receptor antagonist. Allergic rhinitis, that is IgE dependent, diagnosed by nasal smears, eosinophils. Treatment is intranasal corticosteroid spray, antihistamines, loratadine, fexofenadine, bromophenidamine. Intranasal clemastine, anticholinergic medication, ipratropium. Severe combined immunodeficiency, deficiency of beta and T cells, seen in PCP varicella, and beta cell leads to sinopulmonary infection. Bone marrow transplant alternative. Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, immunodeficiency combined with thrombocytopenia and eczema. Bone marrow transplant is only the definitive treatment. Primary immunodeficiency disorders. Common variable immunodeficiency, low beta cell, normal T cell, X-linked A gamma globulinemia, low beta cell, low T cell. IgA disorders, atopic disorders, anaphylaxis, hyper IgE syndrome, skin infection, Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome, low T cell, normal B cell, low platelet, eczema.
This is an end to today's lecture. The DHA GP notes extracted version of Master the Board. I hope you liked it very much, and please wait for few more lectures which are yet to come, and I will be presenting you those lectures in few days. Thank you so much.